What's up guys, today's adventure is the walking trail to the waterfall with the name Levada das 25 Fontes, roughly translated as the Levada of the 25 waterfalls. This Levada is one of the most popular hiking trails among tourists and locals. The waterfall has more than one stream, it has multiple waterfalls and some small falls aside. Characterized by glorious natural surroundings, Levada das 25 Fontes gives you the chance to discover the splendid nature in Madeira's jungle. It's a very unique location and visitors are amazed by its beauty. If you haven't checked our channel yet, please do so, as we have videos of all our journeys on this breathtaking island Madeira. You can find information before you plan your own trip to this charming Portuguese island. Before reaching the waterfalls, you will be surprised of the amazing views you get along the trail. When you start at the regional road ER 110 Rabaçal, the Levada is about 4.3 km long. It could take you about 3 hours to visit this place and coming back. But don't rush it. Parallel with this waterfall, you can visit also Risco Waterfall, which is only 800 meters away. The scenery you get with Risco Waterfall is overwhelming. This fall is really high. When you go closer, the sound is impressive. Enjoy as much of the beauty of both locations before you head back. The lush of green refreshes your mind and it's a very unique adventure. The hiking trail is moderate by difficulty. Some parts are steep with stone steps. The views you get over the Ribeira da Janela valley are stunning. You will be surprised by some of the sceneries and green landscapes. With the picturesque outlook of this trail that is located in the heart of the dense jungle of Rabaçal, this hike is one of the most rewarding Levada walks on Madeira Island. Do not miss this adventure if you plan to visit Madeira Island. Make sure to add it to your list. The total hiking distance, if you also took Risco Waterfall on your path, will give you about 9.2 km. With an elevation gain of 310 meters. A good tip if you want to spare time on both the way to the waterfall and back, at the parking of Rabaçal there is possibility to take a small bus that brings you to Casa do Rabaçal. That's about 2 km shorten your path. Every 10 minutes a bus will transfer people up and down the first part of the road for 5 euros. Only possible to pay cash. Take good shoes with you, cause for the steep steps it is better to have a good grip on your feet. At the Casa do Rabaçal you can take a short coffee break. They have snacks, refreshments and food. I hope you found this video somehow interesting. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below this video. Check out our other videos of Madeira Island to gather information before you plan your vacation to this amazing island. Thanks for watching, have a fantastic day.